Ladies and gentlemen, the level flight call to London Gatwick is now ready for boarding. Kindly ask our priority guest passengers with small children and any extra passengers on board to proceed to gate B65. All other passengers may board afterwards. Meine Damen und Herren, die Nummer 4050 nach London Gatwick ist bereit. Wir bitten unsere priority guest Passagiere mit Kleinkindern sowie Passagiere mit Mehrsetzen an Steigtüren zum Ausgang E65 zu aufnehmen. Alle anderen Passagiere darf wir danach folgen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you on board. We are glad that you have chosen LEVEL for this flight. In a few moments, this Airbus A321 will take you to London. The calculated flight time is approximately 1 hour and 55 minutes. Also, our captain on this flight, Steiger Manfred, is pleased to welcome you on board. Our colleagues and me are glad to welcome you on board also. My name is Christina Braun. The calculated flight time, I was to say, in 1 hour and 55 minutes. Our colleagues and me were responsible for safety on today's flight. It is very important for us to make you feel comfortable on board. So should you have any wishes or requests, please feel free to contact us anytime. Ladies and gentlemen, lean back, relax, and enjoy this flight with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please remove your earphones for this important safety information and switch off all electronic devices or set them in flight mode. Electronic devices which do not fit in the seat pocket in front of you must be switched off and stowed away for takeoff and landing. Please contact the cabin crew immediately if one of your devices gets damaged, produces heat or smoke. For takeoff and landing, your hand luggage must be stowed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments. Please keep all emergency exit rows as well as every seat row without a row in front free of any hand luggage. Please note that in case of an evacuation, your hand luggage must remain on board. We will now show you how to fasten, tighten and unfasten your seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt whenever you are seated. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above your seat. my colleague will take your orders for what dishes. Exit mirror in credit cards, Visa and Mastercards. Ladies and gentlemen, we wish you once again a pleasant scamper and enjoy our service.
From the flight deck first officer speaking. My name is England. It's my pleasure today to fly the flight from Vienna to London Gatwick. Our cruising altitude today is 76,000 feet, around about 11,000 meters above sea level. The cruising speed today, due to a strong headwind, only 780 kilometers per hour. Remaining flight time will be about 35 minutes, so we expect only 5 minutes delay in Gatwick, depending on the traffic situation and the airspace around. The current weather situation, a few clouds and a temperature of 19 degrees Celsius. So if you can stay aboard, it will be a pleasure for me to welcome you again on one of our flights. Thank you very much for your attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final approach. Please adjust the backrest in an upright position, fold up the tray table, put down the armrest and open your window shades. Please have once again look at the safety instruction card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Parkposition erreicht hat und die Anschnellzeichen ausgeschaltet sind. Elektronische Geräte dürfen nach wie vor nur im Flugmodus verwendet werden. Beachten Sie weiterhin das strikte Rauchverbot und seien Sie vorsichtig beim Öffnen der Gepäckfächer, der Gegenstände herausfallen könnten. Die heutige Besatzung bedankt sich sehr herzlich, dass Sie Level gewählt haben und wir hoffen, dass Sie sich bei uns an Bord wohlgefühlt haben. Wir freuen uns, wenn Sie bald wieder mit uns auf Reise gehen. Genießen Sie Ihren Aufenthalt hier. Auf Wiedersehen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London. Please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has reached its final parking position and the seatbelt sign above the seat has been switched off. Electronic devices are still allowed to be used in flight mode. Please note that smoking is still prohibited and open the overhead compartment carefully as your luggage may fall out. Today's crew would like to thank you for choosing Level, and we do hope that you felt comfortable on board. It would be a pleasure for us to welcome you soon again on one of our next flights. Enjoy your stay here. Goodbye.
Parking position.
All doors in different position and cross-check.